What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create that with a smartphone. I'm going to show you guys how to create a lyrical video using just your smartphone. Alright, so if you're really interested in learning that, then make sure to subscribe right now, that is if you're new here, and then also make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Then once you've done that, then let's move right into this tutorial. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you first is that you're going to download the two applications which we are going to use to create the lyrical video. The first app, which is Quick App, and then the second app, which is InShot application. Okay, now to make it easier for you guys, I've put the link to download the two applications in the description section of this video. That's for those who don't have the application. Okay, so then we're going to continue now. So the first app we're going to use, which is Quick App. Okay, we're going to click on it, then we'll open it. So once we open Quick App, this is the first thing you're going to see. Alright, then the first thing we're going to do is to click on it, create a new video. Okay, at this point you just want to select any image to be able to use it. Okay, so then what we're going to do now is you want to go to Google and search for the lyrics of the music you want to create a lyrical video for. Okay, so once you search for the lyrics, then you're going to copy the lyrics on a notepad. Okay, so that will make us to have access to the lyrics. Okay, so the first line we're going to copy, that's the verse 1. We're going to copy the verse 1. Alright, then I click copy. Okay, then I move back to the app, which is Quick App. Then I just paste it. I paste it right there. Then I click continue. Okay, so once I've done that, what you want to do now is to select the effects you want to use. So among all these, you can just check out every one of them and pick the one you want to use. Okay, but for this tutorial I'm going to be using this one, which is tinted. Okay, so once we've done that, I'm going to click on this edit icon. Okay, then we'll click on duplicate for us to copy the next line. Okay, so we'll click on the one we just created a copy of. That's the next one. Then we'll go back to our notepad and copy another line. Okay, one thing you should not do is copy a lot of words. Okay, if you copy a lot of wordings, when pasting it, it's going to cut out some words out. So you want to make sure you just copy just like 3 lines or 2 lines. Okay, then I move to the pre-chorus and I copy this, and then I go back to the app, and then I click on edit text, delete the first one we just pasted before, then I paste this one. Okay, so we have the next line. Then what we're going to do now is to duplicate again. Okay, so we click on we're going to click on this, then we'll go back and copy the remaining line under pre-chorus. That's from here to there, and then we'll click copy, and then we'll go back to the app again, and then we'll click on edit text, delete and paste this. Okay, so once we are done with that, we're going to go back. We're just going to click on this, and then we're going to click on this save icon, which is over here. Alright, we just click on save. Alright, so now that it's saved, we're going to also create another for the chorus. Okay, the reason why we're using we're not joining it together with the chorus is because we're going to use a different effect for the chorus. So what we're going to do now is to copy the chorus. Okay, then we click on copy, then we go back to the app, right? Then we click on this plus icon, which is to add. Alright, just like we did earlier, we're just going to click on any image. Okay, then we just the chorus. Right there, then we click on continue. Okay, so now I said we're going to use a different effect for the chorus. So the effect we're going to use is this one here, which is type. Okay, so then we're just going to click on duration to extended duration. So once you've done that, that's all. We're just going to click on save. Okay, now that it's saved, in order for me to make the video as short as possible, I'm just going to work on verse 1, pre-chorus, and then the chorus. Okay, I'm just going to cut out the drop, verse 2 and all that. So I'm just going to work on the verse 1, pre-chorus, and then the chorus. So now that we've done that, we're going to open InShot application. Alright, so when we open the InShot application, this is the first thing you're going to see. So what we're going to do now is just click on video, click new, then we're going to select the two media we created with Quick App, which is this and this. Okay, then once we have done that, what we're going to do now is to add the music. So click on music, click on tracks, click on my music, then we're going to select the music, which is Lost Sky, where we started. Okay, so now what we want to do now is to make sure that the lyrics flows with the song. Okay, so we will know that at the beginning of the song the singer isn't singing anything yet, so we need to add just click on this blank. Okay, then we drag it to when the singer started singing, which is about 13 seconds after. Alright, so now once we have done that, what we're going to do now is to mute every single media. Okay, so we just go here, we click on volume, and then we just drag it to 0, and then we hold it, then we click on the next one also, and then we drag it to 0 also. Okay, after we have done that, then for the beginning we can just add like text. So we can just add the name of the song, where we started. Okay, let's increase the duration, and then we will duplicate, and then we're going to change this to the name of the singer. Okay, so now we're going to just add like an in animation and out animation. So once we click on it, the text, we're just going to click on edit, and then we click on this, and then we just select any of the effects we want, which is this one. We're just going to use this one, and then we'll do the same thing to this. Okay, so we'll play the song now. Okay, so now we notice that the song is faster than the lyrics. Okay, what we're going to do now is to decrease. So what we're going to do now is to decrease the speed for the media. So we're going to click on it, and we're just going to come to media, and we're just going to reduce this. Let's take it to 0.6, and let's just play it and check it out. Okay, so once we have done that, it's moving to the next line, but it's still on this. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to click on split. Alright, then we'll look at the next line, which is this one here. So we're going to click on split again at this place, then we're going to delete this. So we'll play. Okay, so it's moving to the chorus now. What we're going to do now is we're just going to click on split again at this place. Alright, then once you click on split, we just click on delete. So we know this is the chorus, which is take me. Alright, so let's just play this song now. So we notice that it's slower, right? So in order for it to flow with the song, we need to increase the speed. So we click on the chorus, which is this one here, then we click on speed, then we increase the speed to about 2.9. Let's check it out. So we'll play. It looks a little bit faster, so we're going to reduce the speed. So let us leave it at 2.8. Okay, let's check it. Alright, so once we've done that, we're just going to cut out this last side, which we're not going to use, as I said at the beginning of the video. So we'll just click on split, and then we'll just click on delete. So yeah, and if you want to continue, you can just do the same thing with the verse 2, and then the pre-chorus, and then the drop, and then you just finish the whole song. But because I want to make this video short, so I'm just going to do verse 1, the pre-chorus, and then the chorus. So yeah, I hope the video was helpful. If the video was helpful, make sure to share the video with someone who you feel may find the video helpful. And if you've not liked the video yet, please help me by liking the video. And then if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe right now. That is if you are a new viewer. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.